Top 10 Most Mysterious Sounds Recorded in Nature. Top 1. The Bloop, 1997. An ultra-low frequency sound detected by NOAA that was much louder than any known animal. Later identified as likely originating from an icequake, a massive iceberg cracking apart in the Southern Ocean. Top 2. Slow Down, 1997, recorded in the Pacific. This sound lasts about 7 minutes and decreases in frequency, resembling the sound of a large machine, often attributed to icebergs. Top 3. Skyquakes. Loud, booming noises heard globally, often near water or mountains, that resemble cannons or thunder. Sometimes shaking buildings, yet they occur when no storms are present. Top 4. The Hum, a persistent, low-frequency sound reported by inhabitants in various worldwide locations, e.g. Taos, New Mexico, that only some people can hear, with no definitive source found. Top 5. Julia, 1999, an unidentified, long-lasting sound recorded in the Pacific Ocean that some theorized was a large iceberg running aground. Top 6. Upsweep, 1991. A long series of sounds increasing in frequency. Recorded on the NOAA Equatorial Pacific Autonomous Hydrophone Array, initially thought to be geothermal. Top 7. Whistle, 1997. Recorded on a single hydrophone. This unique sound is believed by researchers to be a volcanic eruption, though its precise location remains unverified. Top 8. Bioduck, a sound frequently heard in the Southern Ocean that baffled scientists for decades. Now widely believed to be produced by Antarctic minke whales. Top 9. The Ping, a mysterious, repetitive sound detected in the Arctic, sometimes described as a sonar ping, though its exact origin is uncertain. Top 10. Jet, a sound recorded in 1997 that is likely a large icequake occurring in the Southern Ocean.